Good morning, students. Today, during the session, we are going to learn how to add new sprites in your stage and also how to add new backdrops on the stage for your project. Okay, so this is what the learning for today's session, adding sprite and adding backdrops. Okay, where you have to pick sprite and backdrops. So what component we required and see one by one. This is block palette. Okay, now this area is script area. You have to write the coding and look at here. This is stage where you can place the sprite and backdrops for your project. Then what is the remaining component? So below the stage we are having area. See, this is fully for sprite. This full component is for sprite. And see, so this is for backdrops. Okay, so now the icon which is used for adding new sprite is, can you see this plus symbol on this cat? Please click on this button. Now, no, this is for uploading your own sprite. Now our wish is to see here, if you click on this icon, it will show you the various sprites under each category. Now current selection is all, so that you can find all kind of sprites. But if you want to look at specific like animals, you have to click on this. So see the change, only animals you can see. If you want to add any animal to your sprite, you can select from this category. And similarly, whatever fantasy, people, dance, and then music, sports, food, so whatever you required you can. For example, you want to decorate or celebrate a birthday party, then I just want to place some cakes on my stage. So this is the way to create or add a new sprite into the environment. Okay, so what is this icon, what is the icon required? So this circle icon. And if you want to change the background, or otherwise in scratch term it is called as backdrop, how will you? So see here backdrops, and see this button, one picture button is there, simply click on it. So it will display all the backgrounds. Okay, now as per the scenario, whatever you want you can select. Okay, so for example fantasy, here also we are having some. So according to birthday party celebration you can. So for example, see, I just want to select this spotlight. Just a second, I'm held up with some just. So it is very difficult sometimes for handling. You have to come back. Wait for me to come to the portion. Code area. Now, so you need this blue area. So if you are having small blue area, means it is easy for you to drag between all the components in your screen. Now you can now see, look at the change. As I have selected, I got the spotlight. So now I am placing the cakes here, and similarly I will place this also here. So in this way you can add new sprites and new backgrounds to your project. Hope you now understand the two different buttons used for adding a new sprite and adding a backdrops for your project. Do interesting projects using by adding new sprites and backdrops to your project. Thank you, children.